Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Chris from winflectorexpert.com and I'm going to show you how to install and configure the Winflector server. First of all, you'll need the Winflector setup. You can find it on winflectorexpert.com or on the official Winflector site winflector.com. The name is wfsetup-version, with this one being version 3.7.1.0. Let's click on it. The setup should be digitally signed by OTCSA. The setup experience should be familiar for most people, you just need to follow it. Read and accept the license agreement. The default path is recommended, but you might change it if you want. Click Next. Install everything. Click Next. Shortcuts. Click Next. So install it. The setup has to install some drivers necessary for the remote mapping functions. Despite this, it is fast and will install under a minute on most machines. It wants you to restart, which you should do. So let's do it. We're back. The Windows has rebooted, so we can now configure the Winflector server. Let's go to Winflector, Winflector Server. It should be digitally signed. This is the Winflector Server console. Let's go to Preferences. This is the Winflector Server configurator. Let's go to User Accounts, Add a user. The name is Chris, the password is Chris. In production you need a stronger password, but this one is okay for now. Okay, save it. Go to Applications. From here you can publish any application you want, but for today we can just publish the simple calculator. Okay, add it, save and close. Disconnect the configurator and start the server. It's now up and running. We can now test it with the Winflector client. So let's connect. Login Chris, password Chris. Let's go to Applications and we have connected because the calculator is available here. Let's run it. You can see a session popped up, and we have the calculator window here. But it is running through the Winflector client, remotely. Let's see if it works. It does. So that's it. We have installed and configured the Winflector server. If you like this video, please check out winflectorexpert.com. Thanks and see you soon.